Welcome to WereProv! We are going to be doing sound effects with our lovely microphone Kylee, our lovely speaker Teagan, our lovely automaton Levi, and the MP3 player Alan. The scene today is me and Kylee here will be evil henchmen making a doomsday device of some sort for their evil master. And we'll have these two provide our sound effects, Levi for me, Teagan for Kylee. Ready?
Ready. I don't know what Dr. Horrible wants us to do.
I heard it was a doomsday device.
But like, I don't have an engineering degree.
You don't? I thought that was what you were hired for.
I might have lied.
What?
Is that the alarm?
Yeah. Okay, it looks like, okay, there we go.
Quick.
That engineering degree that you lied about, that's the problem here.
Is it did the hero get in because I didn't do the alarm the right way?
No. I'm gonna have to go into the thing. Okay. Get me my screwdriver right there.
This?
Yeah, that one. That works. Okay. Oh gosh, it's sparking in there. Okay, grab the
fire extinguisher?
No, not yet. It's not that one. Ah!
We're safe.
Okay. Let me get in there. Here's one of the issues. Skeet.
What did that do?
What kind of screws did you use?
Good ones?
You made my sound effect.
That was poisonous gas coming out.
What's the doomsday device? What's it supposed to do? Like, that's what it does, right? It makes that noise.
Yeah, but not from there. From out on those things out in the world. Watch here. Let me put up this video showing you what it does.
Okay.
Now you see?
Wait. Can we look at cat videos? Just one.
Fine. Okay, let's do this.
Meow. It's so cute.
I bet it would look really cute dead by the doomsday device.
I guess.
It's okay.
We'll stop it.
Okay, well.
So, I have a fire extinguisher. We know that works. If the doomsday device doesn't work, should we call in somebody?
I mean,
I got my phone. Like,
who are you calling?
the raptor exterminator.
We have raptors?
I think I heard them earlier. See? There they are!
Oh gosh.
It's not picking up.
Well, here. Grab this machete. Okay.
I like this. It's nice.
Right? Okay. And then here's this. Hold on to this. Okay.
What is this?
That's a handgun.
But
They have guns too.
What?
Where did those come from? Get behind this.
I think we should quit.
I think so too. Here. Okay. Wanna go get a coffee somewhere?
Ding. It's still there. Yeah, let's get a coffee.
Okay,
Turn away.
let's go. Okay, everyone. That was
Sad.
sound effects. Remember, if you have any ideas, like, comments, do other stuff on there. We release videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks, guys.